fuck. Bro, I don't know if that guy saw the fucking... Wow. What's up, everybody? Hope everybody's doing well out there. It's Thursday. Work week's almost up. Going to the gym, gonna hit a little chest and triceps. So, beautiful day out, as you can tell. And yeah, been a great day. Gonna finish it off as a great day. So let's get to it. Nice stop sign there, brother. Well, guys, Like I said, quick drive to the gym. As always, I appreciate the love, I appreciate the support, appreciate the views. We got a nice little series going, I think, where we'll just record the drives each day to the gym and keep you guys posted with my routine, see how far we can make it. So be awesome if this guy could just pull up a little bit so I could turn in here, but hey, here we go. All right, good old 24-hour fitness, tried and true, all reliable. Been working out at 24-hour fitness for really my whole adult life. Ever since I was graduated from high school, I've been working out here. So yeah, pull up right here, same spot as always. But yeah, 24-hour fitness, it's not the greatest. It's not really even great at all, but it does the job, you know. Sometimes you just gotta get a cheap gym membership just so you can get some access to some weights, and that's where I'm at in my life. My job does pay for half of the membership, so comes out to be like 15 bucks a month, you know. But anyways, I'm rambling. Like I said, appreciate you guys very much. We just hit 300 subscribers. I feel like we just hit 250 like last week, so the channel's growing, and I've been really enjoying doing these little daily POV drives. So like I said, I'm not planning on stopping. We'll keep going as long as the views keep rolling in. So pop out and take a little walk around, show you guys the front lip. So yeah, a little dirty, but yeah, you can see right there, man, front lip just looking solid. Really happy with the results. My buddy Hamza from Motivo Forge came through, plugged it, perfect fitment, super happy. So check him out, Motivo Forge, Motivo Motoring. He's my guy, got the wheels on from him too. So anyways, hope you guys have a blessed day, a blessed evening, whatever time it is, wherever you are. But like I was saying, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.